Rite of passage, it's a Potsy thing. You have to sniff a ponderosa pine.
Vanilla-y.
They smell like vanilla.
It does.
Griffin Top Mountain, Grand Staircase, Dixie National Forest, on our way to Escalante on National Forest Road, I think 817. We are at like 8,700 foot elevation. Janice is looking for a white rock, and Elizabeth is staring off into nothingness. Okay. Oh, I see it. Way over there is Navajo Mountain. Right there. That's Navajo Mountain. So that's the other side of Page. And okay, well, if that's Navajo, then those mountains right there have got to be the mountains south of Hanksville, which means on the other side of those are the LaSalles that we can't see yet. So, all right. Pretty cool view, huh? Pretty cool, having fun, bird. Day 2. Day 3, technically. Day 1. It's a rite of passage. It's a Potsy thing. You have to sniff a ponderosa pine. They smell like vanilla.
It does.
You know, it don't look like a big tree until you stand beside it. It's a big tree. You want to sniff it, bird? Smells like vanilla. Wow, what a cool area.
You see that white?
There's some white cliffs up there. We are headed down. Check out this waterfall we found just outside Escalante along 12 as we come down 17 here, the Forestry Road. This is cool. Wow. Devil's Garden, Grand Staircase, Escalante. Oh yeah. Aaron's a Utah addict.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Do you think this is Utah?
I think it is. So that's my daughter. Isn't that cool? It's like classic Utah going on there. The truck is really cool. That is a cool picture. I need to snag that. Devil's Garden. Girls are playing. This place is awesome. Absolutely. It only took a couple million years to make that spot. Back on the backside. All right. Yeah, we have Elizabeth doing Elizabeth in Utah, chilling on the rocks. What a great place. We're going up over there. We're going to hunt for some dinosaur tracks. What'd you find there, Janice?
Cool curly mud curls.
Curly mud curls.
They're chocolate curls.
Chocolate muddy curls.
Get a video of it. It's recorded.
Chocolate mud.
Chocolate mud curls.
That's what it looks like to me. You know when you peel, like you get the peeler, like the shape, and they put shaved chocolate like on top
Yeah,
of desserts?
on your side too.
That's what it looks like.
See?
Oh yeah.
Stupid.
I don't know how to describe where we're at, so maybe I'll put that in the video right now. Anyways, found this. I think it's a coal slot canyon. So we're going to check it out.
I don't know how far we can
We definitely found the end of it.
There's a bird's nest.
Cool.
There's a bird talking to us.
Yeah. Look at. I just love like this on the rock detail. It just looks like splatters of paint to me.
That's cool. So check it out, going through Capitol Reef. And we are finding a massive waterfall.
You still see it?
Check that out.
You got it?
That is cool.
Wow.
Wow. We just had a good storm and seeing some cool stuff. Ah, here's another one. Crazy. Fremont River.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
It's crazy. It's flowing. If you look under here, like you can see like undercut.
Yep.
Yeah, so you don't want to get up.
Crazy.
Look at all the black rock. In the water, the water made the colors so scratchy.
That is crazy. We found a flood in Capitol.Reef, the Fremont River. Oh yeah.
I don't know what you want. If you are looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have are a very particular set of skills.